The following video is a step-by-step guide to create not only a balloon column but also a garland or arch for beginners. Firstly, take 2 balloons and blow them up to approximately the same size or as near as you can get them. I recommend pushing some air out to give the balloon a more rounded shape. This helps to prevent gaps in your garland. Once completed, then tie the balloons together. Blow up another 2 balloons in the same way and tie together. You will then need to twist the pairs of balloons together to create a quad. Repeat this step until you have enough balloons to create your garland or column. Once all of your balloons are blown up, take your ribbon and one of the quads. Tie your ribbon or fishing line around the quad. I personally like to use a figure of 8 motion to do this, then tie a couple of knots. Add another quad on top and arrange it to slot into the balloon gaps. With your ribbon or fishing line, repeat the figure of 8 motion, securing the current quad to the one below, and then repeat for every layer. finish this column, you simply need to tie a knot at the top quad. You could add a foil balloon such as number to complete the look. So as you can see, using this technique it creates a consistent spiral pattern. This can be applied to also make a garland or arch. You would just need to continue to the desired length. I hope this helps with your future projects at home. I'd love to hear how you get on in the comments section below. Please subscribe to see more upcoming step-by-step tutorials, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.